replace the bats, put on costumes, masks and hats, dress as witches, cats or bees, knock knock, trick or treat, say please. Getting ready, it's Halloween, fun and happy, not too mean. Ghosts and bats and cookie dough, smiles and giggles as we go. Spooky snacks, they look so yuck, but they're tasty, lucky luck.